Hey everyone, today I want to share with you this package that I got from uh her name is Whitney Ramirez, and her IG handle is on Sainted Beauty, and her shop name is Dollface Beauty Bar. She contacted me and asked me if I wanted her to send me some goodies and I can try it. And she gave me a discount code to share with you guys. So here are the goodies. She sent me a bunch of glitter mixes, charms, nail decals, cuticle oil. Some of the nail decals are like Glam brands, Luxe brands, and butterflies. Some of the things were to be encapped, or some things to be on top of the nail. Like these glitters are amazing, and you will see a few pictures also. Look at these crystals. These crystals are, I don't want to say they're rose gold. They're more like a honey color. They're freaking gorgeous. I put them with my crystals because I intend to use them. And these are some pot leaves, like weed leaves. And then the glitter mixes, we have a purple, very holographic and gorgeous. And then we have this bright blue, like a royal blue with hollow glitter. Then these Louis Vuitton charms to go on top of the nails to decorate. Another glitter mix, turquoise. These hearts you'll see up soon in a few pictures. Then we have this beautiful pink. This one you'll see right now, and it's so gorgeous. That pinky and that pointer finger are that glitter mix we just saw before the picture. Then we have these stars, and this is like an orangey, like neonish mix. This one is a little redder. This is a beautiful pink, and another blue, and another pink. And that one I used in the very short nails that you're going to be seeing here soon. This cuticle oil is freaking amazing. The smell is margarita lime, and it smells divine. Awesome. It smells really, 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 really good. And it works perfect. I'm using it right now, and like at the butterflies, the Louis Vuitton, and nail decals. These you'll see coming up next. We have the pictures of where I have used the hearts, and these, look at that glitter mix. It's from her too. The hearts and the nail decals are from her store. We have some Playboy bunnies. We have some letters, sugar skulls, butterflies, and the angels, Cupid type nail decals. Now, like I said, she did send me all of these goodies for free, and I am trying it and featuring it for her and for you. She gave me a discount code, and I'm going to leave all of the information down below. I'm going to leave a link to her shop and the discount code, which is for 10% off. I went in the store, and there is a lot of goodies. So I will have a haul of my own coming soon, one that I'm going to be purchasing myself. Thank you so much to Whitney for sending me these goodies and for giving me a chance to try all of this. I really, really, really appreciate it, and I am going to be using all of it. And every time I use something from her store, you will see it tagged there, because I am absolutely going to use all of these things on my clients. They are shipping now currently to the US and Canada. So make sure that if you are in the US or Canada, you make your order and use the discount code ivysfancynails for 10%. Like I said, I'm going to leave all of that information down in the description box. So I was having a hard time opening this box, and there is a lot of gold charms in there, like gold, what are they called? Those little things you can encapsulate, and they're mostly Lux brands. And you know, the kids these days like these things. So it's something I know I'm going to be using. There is a little bit of everything. There's Dior, there's Louis Vuitton, there's some, what's that, Christian Dior, Fendi, Coach, Chanel. Anyway, so let's keep going with this because there is still more. This is foil, and spring is coming up, so we know the florals are going to be a thing very, very soon. They are a thing right now for me. My girls don't really care too much about rules for the seasons, so I use these things whenever they want me to. All right, I find this so funny. This thing up here, I didn't know what it was, right? And so I was smelling it, and I'm like, I don't know what the heck this is, right? I put it there. I grabbed this, I think it's a pen, and I looked at it, and I'm like, oh, this is cute for my book or whatever, blah, blah, blah. So I leave it here, and I look at it, and I'm like, what the heck is this? I'm like, there's got to be a way to flip this around. I had to message her to ask her what this was, and she told me this is the crystal picker upper thing-majig, and the little red thing that I was smelling that didn't know what it was, I thought it was candy. It's wax that you just cut a little piece and put it on the tip of this pen looking thing, and it helps you pick up your crystals, you know, like a crystal katana or one of those things. Well, one of those. I didn't know. I swear I thought that was candy and this was a pen. So just so you know, so you can have a little laugh, I had to message her and ask her what it was, and she, I imagine, had to be laughing because where did this girl come from? And let me tell you, I'm just in a small town and I have never seen this before. So, news for me. Anyway, thank you so very much for watching, guys. I hope you go visit what is it? It is Dollface Beauty Bar. It's dollfacebeautybar.com. And I'm going to leave the info below. Use my discount code for 10% off. And let's help small businesses too. Let's help other nail techs get their business out there and enjoy what they do. So let's help them out, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you back the next video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.